Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be making some Animal Crossing fossil cakes, which actually have real chocolate fossils inside. How exciting is this? And if you stay till the end of the video, I'm going to share my dream address. So if you want to check out my island, that would be so cool. So keep watching to the end of the video for that. So yeah, let's get started. Okay, so first you're going to take some melted white candy melts and pour them into a silicone fossil mold. And I'll link the mold down below. I just got it off Amazon. And then you want to place the mold in the fridge and chill it for 30 minutes or until the candy melts have fully hardened. And I'll have the whole recipe with all the quantities listed in the description down below, so don't worry. Then you want to get some chocolate cupcakes. I made these cupcakes from my classic chocolate cake recipe, which I'll link in the cards here and down below, but you can use any chocolate cupcake recipe that you like. So you just want to crumble the cupcake into a large bowl and use an electric mixer to further break the cupcakes into smaller crumbs. I find that this is so handy with electric mixers, oh my goodness. Then pour some melted milk chocolate chips into the bowl and mix with the electric mixer until everything is fully incorporated. So you want the cake texture now to be moist enough to be able to shape it into little balls and have it retain its shape. So if you find that it's still a little bit too dry, just add some more melted chocolate. Then divide the cake mixture into 6 portions, so you'll get roughly 1 fossil per every 2 cupcakes. Then shape 1 portion of cake into a pancake shape and pop one of the fossils into the center. How cool is this? Oh my goodness! And then wrap a fossil in the cake and shape it into a disc. Then repeat with your remaining cake mixture and fossils. Then place the fossils on a dish lined with plastic wrap and chill it in the fridge for 1 hour. Then, working with 1 fossil at a time, place a fossil into some melted blue candy melt and fully submerge it. Then use a fork to gently lift the fossil out, tap it on the edge of the bowl to remove any excess candy melts, and then return the fossil to a dish either lined with parchment paper or plastic wrap, or in my case I used a Silpat baking mat, which is perfect because everything peels off of it super easily. Then repeat with the remaining fossils and let the candy melt set at room temperature for about 1 hour. Then place the remaining 1 cup of melted white candy melts into a piping bag fitted with a small round piping tip. Pipe the outlines of a fossil swirl as well as the 2 stars onto each fossil. Then you want to add some coconut oil to the remaining white candy melts, stir well, and use a small spoon to carefully fill the fossil swirl with the white candy melts. So this will enable us to kind of make it look like the way it did in Animal Crossing and show the different edges of the little fossil swirl, but still only using white chocolate, if you kind of get my vibe. Then simply allow the fossils to sit at room temperature for about 1 hour, and then just a little bit of water to have him evaluate them. And you can use a little fossil brush, or in my case, this is a little brush I got from Wilton and it's clean. I'll link it down below if you want to pick them up. But you can just brush off your fossil, brush the little cake/dirt off your fossil and discover what kind of fossil you got in your cake, and you are done. So thank y'all so much for watching. I hope that you like this recipe. I will have my dream address on the screen here if you would like to check out my island. Just a little disclaimer, I am trying to breed green mums and blue roses and purple pansies and gold roses. So excuse the massive amount of flowers just around my entrance, but I hope that you like the rest of my island. My house isn't done yet, but I've focused on a lot of other things, so it's not done, but I hope you like it anyways. And share your dream address down below because I would love to check out your islands, and if you would like to see some other Animal Crossing recipes, let me know. I am geeking out so hard with Animal Crossing. It is the best thing I've discovered in years, so let me know what you'd like to see because I do not see this obsession ending anytime soon. Side note, it has helped me so much with anxiety and depression. Oh my goodness. So if you struggle from that and you are looking for maybe something a little more unconventional to try, definitely try Animal Crossing. It's fabulous. It has, this is not sponsored. Oh my God, if it was sponsored by Nintendo, life goals. But it's, It's slow pace, so it forces you to pace yourself, but it also gives you things to look forward to every day. So if you have trouble kind of being excited about the next day or thinking about the future, this is really, really great because every day you wake up and new flowers bloom. So if you're trying to grow hybrid flowers like me, it gives you that to look forward to. There's events all throughout the year, different items, different everything. So it's really, really exciting. So I highly recommend you try it out. I'll link it down below if you don't have the game. But yeah, anyways, let me know if you have any other requests. I have so many ideas. I want to do like Animal Crossing everything. So if you are interested in that, please let me know. But anyways, I love you guys so much. Again, leave your dream addresses down below and definitely check out mine. I would love for you guys to check it out and tell me what you think. And yeah, I'll see you guys on Tuesday for another video. Bye.